Hello everyone, welcome to another educational crypto tutorial. I'm Blooming Morin, your trusted money coach, here to guide you through the process of buying Ondo Finance. So let's dive in. Step 1, choose your preferred crypto exchange. So when it comes to buying Ondo or any cryptocurrency, choosing the right exchange is crucial. Today, I'm going to be buying Ondo on KuCoin, but before we dive in, let me share a list of other crypto exchanges where you can also buy Ondo Finance if KuCoin is not available in your country. Right here on CoinMarketCap, we can get Ondo on Coinbase, OKX, Bybit, Uniswap, Upbit, Kraken, Gate.io, HTX, KuCoin, and even Mexi. And each of these crypto exchanges have their own strength. And for today's tutorial, we're going to be using KuCoin to buy Ondo Finance. So go ahead and log into your KuCoin account. If you don't have a KuCoin account, scroll to the description area below for the official link. Now, step 2, you need to fund your KuCoin account. If you're unsure on how to fund your KuCoin wallet, check out my step-by-step video guide on how to fund your KuCoin wallet. I'm going to leave the link up here. I'm also going to leave it in the description area below. So now I'm going to assume that you've already funded your KuCoin account with some USDT. So step 3, we're going to be buying Ondo Finance with USDT. So once you're logged into KuCoin, click on the asset button right at the bottom right. Now you can see at the top here that we have 5 tabs: overview, funding, trading, margin, futures. I'm going to click on the trading tab. And right here, you can see that I have some USDT. So this is what I'm going to be using to buy Ondo Finance. So next, we're going to click on market. That's right at the bottom. Now at the search bar, I'm going to search for Ondo. And I'm going to select Ondo USDT, meaning that I'm going to be using USDT to buy some Ondo Finance. Next, click on the buy button. And right here, we can see the different types of orders. I'm going to be selecting the market order, meaning that I just want to buy right away. So go ahead and do that. And I'm going to be buying $20 worth of Ondo Finance. So enter the dollar amount here. That's 20 USDT. Next, I'm going to click on buy Ondo. Order placed already. So now that we've bought some Ondo Finance, it's time to secure your Ondo with Tangem wallet. If you don't have a Tangem hardware wallet, check out the official link in the description area below, and don't forget to use my discount code BLOOMING to get 10% off your order. And if you need more guidance, feel free to book a free 30-minute session on my website. The link is also in the description area below. So we've come to the end of today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a like and also subscribe to my channel. Until then, I'm Blooming Morin, your trusted money coach.